Welcome to Selling Sak. This is your friend Chief Officer Bimlesh Kumar Singh. Today we will go around the tour of a bridge, how a bridge of a big container ships looks like. So, आज मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा इस वीडियो में कि एक ब्रिज कंटेनर शिप पे कैसा दिखाई पड़ता है और अंदर में क्या क्या इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं. व्हाट ऑल इक्विपमेंट्स आर देयर इनसाइड द ब्रिज फ्रॉम वेयर वी नेविगेट. सो लेट्स गो. Let's enter inside the bridge. So friends, starting from here, you can see this whole things a duty officer has to check. ये सारी चीज़ें उसे देखनी पड़ती हैं अपने ब्रिज पे during his watch. So let's start from the first one. This is a remote control panel for fans inside cargo hold and side passage. So from here you can control the fans which are given inside cargo hold. Next one is outside light control panel. Whatever ship's lights are there outside, you can control, switch it on, switch it off from this panel. Like pilot ladder, if you want to switch on, just you can turn and switch on. Next, there are signal light control panel. This is for the Christmas tree on the bridge, Monkey Island. So from here you can control all those lights by just clicking, switching on and switching off. Next is your navigation light control panel. To control your navigation lights of a ship, that means your port side, starboard side light, forward light, anchor light, stern light, all these lights you can control from here. Next you have power failure alarm panel, vessel control system, and then you have a fire manual call point. Then you have a general alarm over here. Here you have a fire and general pump control so that you can use for firefighting and other purpose. And here is your one of the big bridge equipment. The name is AIS, Automatic Identification System. Then next, this is our GPS 1. You can see this is our route. These are the various information which are provided in the GPS. So this is the distance to go and our speed over ground, cross track and all. This is your VHF. You can use this to talk. So if you want to talk to somebody and you want to communicate with other vessel, you can change the channel from here. You can change the channel and then you can talk. So this is how we change channel, and then you can talk. You can increase or reduce volume from here. So this is your VHF number 1. Now move on to the next equipment. This is your radar, radio detection and ranging. So this is our vessel and presently it is on 6 nautical miles range. You can see this is the full display of the ship, full display of the radar. All the important information are given here, like what is your heading, what is your speed, what is your course over ground, speed over ground, your GPS position. Okay, and here you have some more information regarding your waypoints. So this is the control panel from where you can control your radar. You can see this is a mouse actually, and these all are controls. Moving to the next equipment, this is your ECDIS. Our vessel is ECDIS compliance. So this is the master ECDIS, and we have another one on other side, that is your slave. So this is the master ECDIS. In this we can see all the charts over here, how we are proceeding, what is the route, and all the information, all the maps and your soundings, everything you can see over here. This is very helpful equipment, friends. The name is ECDIS, Electronic Chart Display Information System. Okay, and this is the control for Everest. So you can control from here, zoom in, zoom out, and so many functions over here. You can see the charts, user map, track, route. This is the indication of the wind and current we are facing right now. Okay, so let's go to the next. This is your panel from where the vessel get navigated. This is your steering. This is your steering panel. And for indicating port starboard, you can see here it is green color is on starboard side and red color is on port side. So if you want to go starboard 5, this is your starboard 5. If you want to go starboard 10, this is your starboard 10. If you want to go midship, this is your midship. So this is how you steer. And also the indicator is given over there. Okay, so that is your indicator, that how much degree your ship is turning. So that is the indicator over there. Next, these are the controls for switching from number 1 to number 2, number 1, number 2, follow up, non follow up, and this is from automatic to hand steering. So presently we are doing automatic steering. Once we want to switch from auto to hand, you have to switch this knob towards the hand side. And this is your switch for joystick 1. You can use this one once this is not working. So this is the panel. Next, this is your telegraph. You must know that like a gear in the car, this is also called gear of a ship. So once you want to go ahead, this is your stop position. You can move dead slow ahead, half ahead, full ahead, and navigation full ahead. Similarly, you can go on a stern, dead slow stern, slow stern, half a stern, full stern. So you have to turn this knob as you need the telegraph or engines. This is your indicator for RPM, how much RPM our ship is doing right now. So you can see here it is 77, 78. Now the control is on the bridge, so we can change the RPM from here by adjusting this knob. So presently we are doing 76 RPM, and this is the panel to control. Now next thing is your gyro compass indicator, and this is your gyro repeater. So here from where we check our course. This is also one of the indicator that what course we are steering. Okay. The next, this full panel is for controlling our steering pump. Okay, this is the steering pump control. We have 2 pumps, number 1 and number 2. You can switch it on and off from here, start and stop. So normally at sea we use 1 steering pump, and when we are maneuvering, we are near the coast, we use both steering pump. Now next item is your canvas. So this is your canvas, bridge navigation watch alarm system. So it is already set. Then you have bow thruster control panel. This is bow thruster control panel. Bow thruster, normally there is a special propeller in the forward to turn the ship to port or starboard. So those can be controlled from here. You can see this knob is given. You turn to port, turn to starboard, then your ship start going to starboard. And if you put to port, your ship start going to port side. So this is how we control after switching on this panel. This is the communication telephone. You can communicate on different places by using the number. Then here you have a telegraph printer. Whatever telegraph movement you will give, it will print it over here for record keeping. This is your second ECDIS. This is your second radar, X band radar. This is S band radar. Another one was X band radar. You have second VHF. This is wiper control to control the wiper. You can see over here. See, these are the wiper controls for the full ship. Okay. Then you have this watertight door indicator panel. So from here you can monitor whole ship, which doors are open and which are closed. So this is how we check the watertight doors. We can monitor from the bridge. Our next equipment is your VDR, voice data recorder. It is recording each and everything. There are few mics fitted over here, radar display, EGDIS display, gyro cores. Everything is being recorded through this VDR recorder. Then we have hypermesh control system on the bridge, and also there is control of engine room regarding UMS, or any alarm comes in the engine room, we can check from here. So these are all the equipments which we handle on the bridge and how it looks like. So let's go to some more equipments. This is your fire alarm control panel. Okay, and then you have GMDSS equipment. This is your Inmarsat C, radio RT frequency, your MFHF, okay, your MFHF, and then your LRIT. These are the printers, and also you have two-way VHF on the bridge for GMDSS use along with the battery. So guys, let's move on to the next. This is your course recorder. You can see here, this is your course recorder. It is recording your course right now. This is your speed log. This is your weather facsimile. We get the weather report from this through the satellite. This is the ship watch control. So whatever the timing, we can change from over here. All the ship's watch we can control from here only. All the clocks can be controlled. Then you have next equipment. This is your echo sounder. It is off now because we are in Indian Ocean. The depth is more than 3000 meters, so we don't need this echo sounder right now. Okay, so this is your echo sounder. Then you have here Navtex. To receive any navigational warning or any danger, we receive messages over here. And then you have this GPS number 2, and this is your chart table. Normally in this ship we don't use charts because our ship is EGDIS compliance, 100% EGDIS compliance, so we don't use any charts. So this is whole view of the bridge, you can see. And now let's move on to the next. This is our coffee shop, and we have some firefighting radio VHFs which are used only during the fire. It should be used by the firefighters. They can communicate on the bridge through these walkie-talkies. So guys, hope you like the video, and मैं ऐसे ही आपको शिप के वीडियो दिखाता रहूँगा. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that if I upload a new video you get notified, and also please press the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye bye.